What's up, guys? It's that Dividend guy here, and we're having a really good day. Yesterday, I think we were at 15.2, and today we're at 15.5, so that's pretty dang good growth. So for the day, we're up 107, a little bit more, 107.30. For the week, we're up 519, which is 3.45%, which isn't bad. That's a really nice line. For the month, we're up 941, so almost 950 bucks. Not too terrible. For the 3 month, we're up $1,264, which is 8.8%, which is an S&P 500 return. For the year, we're up $1,174, which is again 8.17%, which is the S&P 500's expected return. And then for my all-time, I'm up almost $1,000, and that's a 6.8% return. And S&P does about 7. So for the month, we're matching. Or sorry, for 3 months we're matching. For the year, we're matching, and for all-time, we're down about 2.4% against the S&P. So that's really not bad. Um, I can't complain about those returns. And as you can see for the year, we've had some ups and downs, but overall we're ahead of where we were at before. Because when we started out, we were at 14.4. Now we're at 15.5. So we've gone up $1,100 in the past about a year. So that's pretty good. Can't complain about that. So let's see why we're up so high. So first of all, Altria Group right now is up. I am only up about $1, but I have so many shares that it's gone up a lot more than that. So this is why it's good to do your own research, figure out what stocks you want to hold, how it does in the economy, things like that. But there's a lot of bad news around Altria because of their Juul stuff. But I knew that wasn't really going to affect cigarette sales, so I kind of figured it'd be a good, it'd stay pretty positive. So I'm up 108 bucks because of my 95 shares, and I'm not up very much on each, as you can tell. But uh, I have so many shares that it's a pretty big return. So Altria is up right now. It's not down anymore, which that's going to help the portfolio. Coca-Cola, which usually trades sideways. You can see today's return 6.46, but overall I'm up about 50 bucks. Again, love Coca-Cola, Dividend King. Going to hold that one forever. Just going to keep adding to it. AT&T, this is probably my favorite stock in my portfolio right now. AT&T is uh, a telecom, and I'm up crazy big on it because I bought it at 31, and since that hedge fund jumped in it, it's really skyrocketed, which is great for me. Kind of ticks me off though because I really want to buy more AT&T for the Warner assets, but it's all good. AbbVie's up, which this one's been trading sideways for a while, but I bought it down and it's still got some pretty good potential to go up. It's 52-week highs 94 and it's at 77, so I'd still be comfortable buying, but I'm going to hold for now because I still am getting really good dividend income from that. ExxonMobil is one of the newer additives to the portfolio. About 70 bucks. I'm down on it, which is great. They are the third longest dividend paying stock that I found behind York Water and Eli Lilly. So they have a really long track record, and I think oil's going to be around for a long time, so I'm not super worried about them. Um, about 12%, 13% of the portfolio, getting good dividend payments from that. So the lower it goes, the better for me. Target, which this one just hit a new 52-week high today, which kind of drives me nuts. Because I want to buy more Target, but I can't buy it if it's at its 52-week high. So I'm going to keep that one. I'm going to hold that one. It's Dividend King. PE ratio is still pretty comfortable, even though it's had a huge run up. So 80, 90, 100, about $30 up on this position per share. So almost $300 gain there, which is great. And then we have Walgreens, which I don't have a lot in. So it's funny to see how much different like a Target is versus a Walgreens because I only have one share. So when it goes up a bunch or down a bunch, it's kind of funny because I don't have multiples of that movement. So up about 75 cents on that. So not terrible. Overall, we're green. I haven't added anything to the watch list since I showed you guys last, but I'm still looking to get that York Water and Eli Lilly for the first and second longest dividend payers that I could find. They're consistent. They don't grow necessarily, but they're very consistent with their payments. So it goes kind of against what I'm doing as a dividend growth investor, but consistency is really what I'm after. So even if I don't gain, I know I'm going to get a pretty damn good payment and a pretty consistent payment. So I'm comfortable holding those stocks. So currently, I'm doing pretty well. Pretty happy with today. I know this isn't going to be every single day. I'm not going to be gaining, $120 a day, but I'm happy, so can't complain. So overall, we're up. Feeling pretty good about the stock picks. I got a lot more on the watch list, and I'll keep investing dividends. My next dividend payment, I believe, is AT&T's on the 1st with 31.62, and AbbVie is on the 15th paying me about 65 bucks. So we have about 90 some coming in. So that would be enough for me to get my York Water, or looking at York Water, or maybe Cardinal Health or Bank of America. Maybe Bank of America and Cardinal Health. We'll see. I'll show you guys when I buy it. So about the 15th, so a few days here, and we will have another dividend paying, or excuse me, about a month, and we'll have another dividend payment. So we'll just keep on investing dividends, add cash when I can, and hopefully we get to 16K soon. Thanks guys for watching. Great gains today. Appreciate all the new subscribers, and I'll see you guys in the next one, okay?